It's really important to get a highly efficient panel on your roof because roof real estate is more valuable than you probably realise. Why that's important is we need to generate as much power as we can off the roof because as we're moving forward, we're using a lot more energy. So we need as much roof space as possible, so to use a highly efficient panel means we're using less of a footprint. We want to also ensure that that solar panel has got a long life in it as well. We're looking at really getting a 25, 30 year life out of a solar panel. And there's only a few solar panels around that will do that. And we can guarantee that they're going to be around for 25 years. But you want to use a highly efficient panel on the roof because we're going to need more solar up there than you realise. As time goes by, we're using more and more energy. We need to put more panels and we need more energy to come off the roof. We're now recommending people put an electric hot water tank in instead of a gas hot water system. We're now heating swimming pools with electricity rather than gas because we can now control the cost and the energy that goes into it. A residential solar system, you'll find a return on investment somewhere between 3 to 5 years for a good quality system. You know, you can put a cheap system up that'll pay itself off in about 2.5 years, but in around about 5 years, you'll be replacing the electronic inverter and you'll probably be replacing the panels anyway. So it's well worth spending a little bit of extra money up front. The return on investment only blows out maybe a year and a half longer, but you get so much more life out of it at the other end. Once you put a solar system on, you don't want to be calling us. You don't want to be worrying about it. You just want the thing to be up there working and saving you money and functioning. And that's what a good quality solar system will do.